So this is the passenger side of the E90, and the door handle's pretty much done. So today we're gonna change it. This is what the brand new one looks like, and then this is the OEM one that's melted. And then if you're looking for this part number, here it is. Alright, so the tools needed to do this job are some plastic trim removal pieces, T20 Torx, a screwdriver, and maybe some pliers. So that clips on at the end, so that's why you want to start from the front. Alright, so that just was clipped on. Alright, so the next step is to remove these bolts right here. So it's going to be a T20 Torx bolt. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So there's 4 bolts in total. Alright, so the door panel just pops off. So start from the bottom, maybe like put something in there. Let's see. See, like that. And then you want another piece of plastic. And then once that's loose, you can just pull it and pull it. Alright, so now I'm just gonna disconnect all this stuff right here. So this one just pulls like this, and these ones just pull out. So this one goes on the bottom, this one goes on the top. Remember that? Alright. Green one, so the tweeter wire goes to the top of the speaker. Alright. And then what else is there? This. So that's the window switch. Alright, so window switch. Oh my god. Window switch. And then the door light. So I think it's easier to just pop it out. Yeah, so just disconnect it. Alright, so this is the back of the door handle, and it looks like the handle is held on by these 4 rivets. So these 2 right here and these 2 right here. So I'm gonna see how I can get those off. Alright, so to get off these rivets that are holding on the door handle, I'm just getting a screwdriver, and then I'm just prying from the bottom all around the edges. So you can see that's how it is originally. So I'm just working my way around with the screwdriver until it works its way off. go. So once this top piece is off, you can push it through. So I still gotta remove this one, and I already did this one. Alright, so I just removed the top of the rivets for these two and these two, and these are how they looked originally. So now I should be able to push these through, and then the door handle should come out. I'm gonna push these through now. They seem to be very loose. Alright, so this is the OEM handle, and you can tell that the handle was held on by rivets, plastic rivets like that. So those are gone, and for the replacement handle, it came with the screws, so it looks like it's just gonna screw in. Alright, so this is what it looks like after I remove the handle. I think I'm gonna clean this up first before I install the new handle. Alright, so just like that, and then flip it around, and then just put the screws in. Alright, so the screws are tight and the handle is secure, so now this door panel can go back inside the car, and then the installation is going to be the same as removing it. Alright, so the door panel is back on the car and all the screws are in, so now I can just pop in the cover. See how it pops in. Alright, that's it.